How's it going, everyone? It's been a little while since I've been able to jump on camera, and in case you didn't know, I've been busy doing Akashic Records readings for you guys. The demand has been greater than I even expected, so it's been really great and just as magical as I thought it would be. And I just want to say, if you at the soul level are feeling the call to pursue the Akashic Records, meaning that you want to become a practitioner and help people, help navigate people into that space and educate on what that space, the potentials that lie there and what it is exactly, I would recommend taking that seriously and answering that call, because the word Akashic Records rings such a bell in the DNA that a lot of people are going to be seeking your services. So it's something very special, and it's something that is very sacred, and it's a great honor to be able to lead people into that space and see what comes out. Yeah, so it's been a lot of fun, and it's been super amazing to meet so many powerful old souls. It's one thing to be on the other side of the YouTube wall and I just sort of throw things out there and see what comes back. But to be able to sit in front of you guys and chat about the things that we all love and have personal revelation together, it's been a lot of fun. And in my own personal journey, I don't have light workers surrounding me, at least not ones that know they're light workers. And that's the same with a lot of you guys out there. So to just meet for an hour with you guys and be able to dig into all the stuff that we love, it's been a very fun experience. So thank you very much for helping me pursue and have that experience with you. Yeah, I went into my own records to see what wisdom I could pull out for you guys and what the guides are looking to bring to our attention. And the guides really want you to challenge yourself to stay present in the now moment in a way that is deeper than you've ever gone before. And the vision that was shown to me is a carousel. While it's going, it's spinning, 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 and the outside world is just sort of a blur. But being present in the now moment really allows you to slow that carousel down to the point where the unseen becomes very visible, and you're able to see what's there, you're able to see who is there, you're able to observe the environment, observe the energies there, and what exactly is going on behind the scenes once you get that ride to stop turning. And it's only possible to do this when you fully invest yourself and engage in the now moment, which is hard to do. It's something that we can do in meditation, and it's something that comes very easy to a lot of us. But maintaining that awareness in the everyday activities that we're doing, getting our kids ready for school, driving to work, dealing with our boss, coming home, winding down, showering, going through our routine that by design is very linear. It is very hard to slow down enough to maintain a state of awareness in the now moment that's going to allow you to slow the carousel down. So one thing that can help you do this is to create an activity around doing that, to create a challenge or a game around doing that. And when you think about it, the thing that's most present in our now moment that we can focus on is our breath. So how long can you string together before you get distracted a series of conscious breaths that fully engage you in the now moment outside of your normal meditation routines? Because doing it outside of the spiritual disciplines is when the pieces are really going to start to come together. And maybe at the beginning, you are able to do 10 breaths before you get distracted or before something catches your attention in some way. Maybe the next time you do it, you're able to do 20 breaths before something grabs your attention, or before you know, the environment interjects and gets in the way in some form. But the goal is to get to the point where you don't have to make a game of it, that it's just a natural thing and it's just becomes your normal state of being, and you sort of broke free from the limitations that this reality has imposed upon us. Because it is time to break free from those limitations. It is time to rediscover our true power, which does exist in the now moment. Our ability to create, our ability to imagine, our ability to manifest miracles. All of these things only exist in the now moment, and you can't be divided at all in order to manifest and to create these things. So regaining your power in the now moment is something that we're going to be really pushing ourselves to do, and our guides are right there tapping us on the shoulder trying to get us to do this, because it is only in the now moment where we can slow this ride down and truly process what's going on and see behind the curtain, if you say. So keep that in mind going forward. Keep in mind that everything that you're searching for, everything you're looking to do, all of your spiritual goals all exist in leaving the linear timeline and staying there, because it is in that space that you become who you really are and you leave the game behind, or you stop the ride. Anyway, just something real quick for you guys. Kind of wanted to give you an update. If you are interested in an Akashic Records reading with me, the link is in the description. There are some openings right now. And if you guys are looking for earlier times in the day, that's hard for me to offer right now because I'm still working a day job, but I'm transitioning my way out of that. I'm just sort of in the beginning phases of that. So going forward, that may be something that is available. It's hard to say when, but pretty soon. Thank you very much. Goodbye.